Hello beautiful people, this is your friend Pia Liberty once again, and welcome back to my channel. I hope and pray that you are doing great. Today I am going to do a quick unboxing video with this goodies. These are all black and white, and I'm too excited to share to you what we have here. I have here two goodies, but let's start with this small one. I bought this one from Holt & Renfrew in Calgary because we don't have any Gucci store here in Edmonton. This comes with, of course, the receipt. This is the receipt. Comes with a certification card. Let's put this one aside here. Of course, your paper bag or the shopping bag. Are you ready? I'm too excited. Can you see it, or it's blurry? Super cute. Look at that. All right. It comes with the moist, I don't know how you call this one, and a little piece of paper with the numbers, leaflet or information leaflet. You ready? And this is a super cute 𝐋𝐢𝐻 card holder. If you are like me or most other people who doesn't want to carry very heavy or bulky wallets in their purses, I strongly recommend this one. This is very light. You could put 2 cards here, credit cards or your business cards here, and there's another 1 slot here for maybe your cash. I wouldn't recommend coins here because of course it doesn't have any zipper. So maybe your cash bill here, credit cards, and or business cards here. It's super cute. I like the color combination. This one comes with black as well, black leather here, and this beautiful, of course, GG canvas. And so we're done with this beautiful card holder here. Let's put this aside. Moving on to this bigger box here. Let's see what we got here. I don't know why don't they just, you know, put a longer ribbon here. Nagtitipid. As I've mentioned to you before, another Gucci. Ta-da! I had the unboxing on the 4cm GG belt, and now I'm showing you the 2cm. This is the skinniest among the belt. Ta-da! Beautiful, isn't it? Wow. Okay, so Beautiful. And the size is 70. I like it. If you want to be that flashy, use this GG belt. You know someone who's wearing Gucci belt when you see this. It's super lovely. And the buckle comes in two colors as well. This color, the darker gold, and the yellow gold, the lighter one. But I highly recommend this color because this is more durable on scratches, wherein the yellow gold, because it's lighter in color, you could see the scratches right away. I highly recommend this color. All right, so I guess that's all for today again, and I'll see you on my next video.